It's early, so everything doesn't look its best. They haven't popped out. It's in the shade back here, but look at this bougainvillea, my morning glories. Isn't that gorgeous? These are morning glories. These are just some pretty flowers. Here's some herbs, violas. These are like some humongous peppers that are already coming up. Roses. Then some more interesting peppers. The wind knocked all my roses off last night. There. And then this is my baby-sized garden. I have 9 tomatoes, 5 okra, some peppers, cucumbers, and look at those red ripe strawberries. Okay. Tour. Oh, that's mine Patrick's magnolia tree. Tour's over.